In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Omnisend's pre-built campaign templates to start making money from day one, even if you've never written a marketing email in your life. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're overwhelmed by email marketing or just want a faster way to launch email campaigns without spending hours writing from scratch, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with using Omnisend's ready-to-use templates. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Omnisend and why use it? Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform designed specifically for e-commerce sellers and online business owners. It gives you everything you need to collect subscribers, create automated sequences, and send high converting broadcasts without needing a design or copywriting background. What makes Omnisend stand out is how beginner friendly it is. The platform includes dozens of pre-built email templates and automation workflows that are already written, designed, and optimized to help you drive sales. You just plug in your details and hit publish. This is a game changer if you're running a side hustle and don't have time to write from scratch or pay someone to build an entire email funnel for you. So what are pre-built campaign templates? Omnisend's pre-built campaign templates are professionally written emails designed to help you sell more with less effort. These include welcome emails, abandoned cart sequences, promotional emails, post-purchase follow-ups, re-engagement campaigns, seasonal holiday campaigns, and so much more. Each template includes the subject line, layout, suggested images, and placeholder copy that you can easily customize. Instead of trying to figure out what to say and when to send it, Omnisend gives you a proven structure that's ready to go. You don't need a background in email marketing. You don't need to hire a copywriter, and you don't need to spend time testing layouts. You simply choose the template that fits your goal and tweak it with your product or offer. Now let's get into the step-by-step on how to launch a pre-built campaign on Omnisend. If you don't already have an Omnisend account, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below, and you can actually save 30% off for the first 3 months using code CharlieChang30 at checkout. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and even get started with their free plan. So all you'll have to do is click start now, create new account, and then you can sign up with Google or email or even with Shopify. Then you'll just enter your email address, a password. If your business is e-commerce or non-e-commerce, you can agree and then go ahead and click sign up. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you around the dashboard. So over here, we've got dashboard, we've got goals, we've got overview. So this is where you can see your revenue, your campaigns, your automation, your total store revenue, your audience growth, new SMS subscribers, etc. You can also change this from 90 days, 7 days, whatever you like to see. This is also a live view, so this will be your contact activity in real time. Then we've got campaigns, we've got automation, forms, audience, and reports. So what we are going to do is go ahead and go to the campaigns and we'll click create campaign. So we can choose between email A/B test, SMS, and push notification. We're going to create an email. Now we're going to edit the subject line. So we can even use their AI. So let's go ahead and say Black Friday clothing sale. And perfect. Unlock 50% off. Amazing. Or don't miss our Black Friday deals. You also can have them change the tone, translate, rephrase, simplify, etc. And then the pre-header, again, let's see what they have to say. With AI, it could be limited time only, shop exclusive offers, get ready for the biggest discounts of the year. Okay, like that. Then we'll just say Black Friday campaign 1. Cool. Choose email template. Now, this is all of their recommended. So we can see there's save 30% off everything, summer essentials, be prepared for summer. They've got a bunch of other templates here too that you can look and see. They have a million. So let's go ahead and use the template they recommended. So as you can see, it's save 30% off everything, deals you can't miss. They've even got some images right here so you can click the button as well. So all you have to do is plug and play your information. So maybe your store has a different name. So if you have a different logo, you obviously can click replace right here. And this is where you can go ahead and upload from your computer. Then maybe everything is 50% off. Maybe we want to say Black Friday deals. Okay. And then from here, you can replace other images. Again, of course, you would replace with your clothing if that was the case. And then here is a button. And so from here, This is where you would add the link to the actual store. And then here you can see this little text right here is this summer, dive into thrilling adventures on your skateboard. Obviously, let's change this. Change to clothing brand. This summer, elevate your style while embracing thrilling adventures. Okay. Obviously, you want to make it work for you. We can go ahead and insert that right there. Amazing. And then you can also say shop. We can change this text up here to 50% off. Okay, so all of these are super easy to make your own while you're already starting with a guide to look at, right? So if there is anything that you do want to change, all you do is click add elements. You can add a button in here. You can change the link. You can add the text. Other elements are your logo, a menu. Okay, so if you want them to also be able to click on the women's clothes, the men's, or maybe this change to children's, okay? And then you can go ahead and add certain items, etc. There's also, you can add your social media, you can add a unique discount. So maybe this is a specific discount code that you want them to redeem, and you can say, get the Black Friday discount, right? So you can add the discount value and you can apply it to all orders or a minimum order price. You can also change this to free shipping, whatever it may be. But if it was Black Friday, we'd probably want to do that. And discount value is 50. Okay. And then we'll exclude items on sale. And then next we'll save and choose recipients. Okay, so from here, you can send to all subscribers, or you can choose specific segments based on your current segments that you have done. Then you'll want to send a test email, just make sure everything looks good. And then we can click review campaign. From here, this is the campaign booster. So it will automatically resend your campaign to subscribers who missed it initially. This can enhance your reach and elevate open rates by targeting unengaged recipients, either through email or SMS. Then you can also edit settings if you need to, recipients, and you can either send now or schedule for later. So you can just select a date and you can do based on your time zone or based on your subscribers' time zone. But this only applies if your subscribers have location data when they filled out one of your forms. All you do is click schedule campaign and you are good to go. One quick tip I wanted to mention about CTAs is instead of vague copy like shop now or click here, use action words tied to the outcome. Great CTAs tell people exactly what they're getting and create a sense of clarity or urgency. For example, grab your 50% off code, get the free training, start my 3-day detox, claim my client welcome kit, unlock early access, reserve my spot. A CTA should feel like a next step, not a generic button. It should complete the sentence, I want to ... And remember, done is better than perfect. You don't need to obsess over every little detail. Launch the campaign and then look at the data. That's how you improve. Just as a bonus too, you can actually use templates inside automation workflows. Templates aren't just for one-time campaigns. Omnisend also lets you plug pre-written templates directly into automation workflows. For example, you can set up a welcome sequence using the 3-email welcome automation and have each message pre-written and spaced out automatically. These sequences can be triggered by new subscribers, first-time purchasers, abandoned carts, product views. Once the automation is live, your email will go out automatically every time someone takes action on your site or signs up. This is how you build leverage, not by working harder, but by setting up systems that run in the background and generate revenue while you focus on other things. Now, how do you make money with these templates? Let's break it down. The money doesn't actually come from the tool. It comes from using the tool to convert attention into action. Here are a few practical ways you can use Omnisend templates to generate income. First off, promote digital products. If you're selling courses, templates, or downloads, use a template to announce new launches or offer limited time deals. Next is drive affiliate sales. If you're promoting someone else's product, like tools listed on Amazon or something like that, use Omnisend to warm up your audience, build trust, and then drop affiliate links in a product roundup email. Next is to sell physical products. If you run a Shopify or Etsy store, Omnisend integrates directly and pulls it in your product catalog, so you can drag and drop items into your email. Next is to offer services. So whether you freelance, coach, or consult, you can use email to drive traffic to your calendar or sales page. Templates like client testimonial or here's how we work make this super easy. The common thread is consistency. If you're sending value-packed relevant emails on a regular basis and using proven templates to guide the content, you're building an engine that brings in revenue week after week. Now, let's dive into some of the pros and cons of using Omnisend's templates. Starting off with the pros. So using pre-built templates saves you hours. They eliminate writer's block, help you look professional, even if you're not a designer, and come backed by real-world email marketing best practices. You can get set up and running fast and focus on what matters. selling your offer. Now, some of the cons. If you're in a highly specialized niche, the templates may require more editing to sound personal or brand aligned. Some templates can feel generic if you don't take time to tailor them. And while automation is powerful, it still needs strategic input, like understanding what your audience wants to hear from you and when. That said, for most side hustlers and small business owners, these templates are more than enough to get results, especially when paired with clear offers and regular content. Now, I wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options, but like I said, if you use our exclusive link, you can actually get 30% off for the first 3 months using code CharlieChang30. Okay, so the way Omnisend works is depending on the amount of contacts you have depends on the actual price. They do have a free plan, but things are limited. For the free plan, you can have up to 500 email sends per month and 500 web push notifications. So if your list is small and you're just getting started, the free plan is more than enough. If not, they have a standard, a pro plan, and a custom plan. So the standard plan is $11.20 per month if you pay for the 3 months up front. Then it goes to $16 per month. And again, this depends on your contacts. So if you have 250 contacts, it's that, then it will continue to rise depending on the amount of contacts you had, like I said. And with this, you get, again, depending on the contacts, there's a certain amount of email per month and unlimited web push notifications, success manager, as well as 24/7 priority support. So if I uncheck that, that's $59 per month with 0 to 250 contacts. So again, you want to make sure you're typing in the amount of contacts that you have because the price will go up. But the pro plan is 2,500 contacts. You get global SMS messaging, unlimited emails, unlimited push notifications, priority support, advanced reporting, and personalized product recommender. And then if you want a custom plan, you can go ahead and request more info right here. But I would just recommend get started with a free plan and then get 30% off for the first 3 months when you want to upgrade. So should you use Omnisend templates to grow your side hustle? If you're looking for a way to grow your side income without spending all day writing copy or managing your list, Omnisend's templates are one of the easiest ways to get started. They give you the framework, the copy, and the visuals, and you simply plug in your business, whether you're selling products, services, or affiliate offers. Email is still one of the highest ROI marketing channels, and this is one of the most accessible ways to tap into it. There are a lot of email tools out there, and trust me, I've tried most of them. But when it comes to actually selling products and making money, Omnisend is definitely one of the best options, especially if you're focused on e-commerce or digital offers. The templates are optimized for conversions, the automations are easy to set up, and the platform is built around helping you generate revenue, not just send emails. If you're serious about growing your side hustle and want a tool that's going to help you start earning faster, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description to get started with Omnisend. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to create more free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real scalable income streams using tools, systems, and strategies that actually work. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.